Is your cell phone's bezel scratched from everyday bumps? Whether it's metal or composite. Minor scratches not only detract from the appearance, it also reduces the resale value of your phone. No more worrying about these imperfections. The cell phone bezel scratch repair machine was born using efficient and convenient smart technology to make your cell phone look brand new in an instant. Scratches are visible to the naked eye. The scratch repair machine utilizes intelligent sensing technology, accurately recognizes the material of the frame and the depth of the scratches, automatically matches the best repair mode. Simply place your phone in the cabin. One button to start. The device will pass through the high-speed rotating polishing wheel. No need to do the whole process manually. Maintenance can be done in 3 to 5 minutes. Save time and labor. Say goodbye to the tedious and risky process of traditional manual polishing. Visible repair results are the highlight of the machine. Suitable for shallow scratches. Completely remove scratches after polishing. Even deeper scratches are visibly reduced. Smooth to the touch. For both restoration and recycling. Ideal for restoration and recycling. No specialized skills required. What you see is what you get. Cell phone bezel scratch repair machine. The ultimate in cell phone protection.